Hi everyone, welcome back to English Step by Step. Today, I'm going to teach you how to write an exciting climax for your narrative essays. The climax is the most dramatic part of your story, the moment your reader will remember. Yet many students make it too short, too quiet, or not connected to their main conflict. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly how to build tension, how to corner your character, and how to write a climax that makes examiners go, wow! Let's get started. 1. Build tension gradually. A climax should never appear out of nowhere. You need to build tension step by step so the reader feels the pressure rising. How to do this? Shorten your sentences, raise the stakes, remove safety or comfort, use urgent sensory details. Example: the sky darkened, the wind rose, her torch flickered once, then died. Short sentences, clear danger, rising tension. 2. Corner your character. A strong climax happens when the character is trapped, physically or emotionally, with no easy escape. Techniques: block escape routes, force the character to face their fear, bring the antagonist closer, make the decision unavoidable. Example: the bridge collapsed behind him. Ahead, only a shadowed cave remained and something was breathing inside. This pushes the reader to think, what now? 3. Use pace to create excitement. During the climax, your writing pace should speed up. Use short paragraphs, fast actions, strong verbs, quick shifts. Example: he ran, slipped, got up again. The monster was close, too close. Notice there are no long descriptions here. Action dominates. 4. Make the conflict peak. Your climax must be the point where the main conflict is at its highest pressure. Ask yourself, what is my character fighting against? This is the moment that battle explodes. Examples: man versus man, the final confrontation. Man versus nature, the biggest danger. Man versus self, the hardest choice. Example: she could either jump into the river or turn back and face him. She chose. This is conflict at boiling point. 5. Add a twist or a shift. A small twist makes your climax more memorable. Ideas for twists: the character realizes something important. The antagonist reveals a truth. A forgotten item becomes useful. Something foreshadowed earlier returns. Example: as the wolf pounced, she remembered her grandmother's whistle. She blew it hard, hoping the stories were true. This shows cleverness, not coincidence. 6. Use strong sensory details. Don't describe everything. Focus on the details that amplify danger or emotion. Use sounds, movement, touch, breath, and heartbeat. Example: her hands trembled on the rope. Splinters dug into her skin. Below her, waves crashed like drums. These details make the reader feel the tension. 7. Show emotions without telling. Instead of writing "he was scared," show fear through physical reactions. Example: his throat tightened. His breath came in sharp bursts. Sweat trickled down his back. This is far more powerful than simply naming the emotion. 8. Show the result clearly. A climax must end with a clear outcome. Something must change. Example: when the dust settled and the echoes faded, only one figure stood. This pushes the story naturally into the resolution. 9. Full example climax. Here's a short sample using all the techniques. The door slammed behind him. The corridor narrowed, swallowing the last of the light. His footsteps echoed too loudly, because another set followed, faster, closer. He sprinted towards the stairwell, but the steps were crumbling. One snapped, then another. With nowhere left to run, he grabbed the rusty pipe and hauled himself up, just as a hand shot out of the darkness beneath him. For 10. Student activity. I want you to take any scene you've already written and rewrite the climax using 3 techniques from today's lesson. Choose from shorter sentences, strong verbs, sensory details, removing escape routes, adding a twist, showing emotion. Read it aloud. Is it more exciting? Thanks for watching English Step by Step. If you learned something today, Give this video a like, share it with your classmates, and subscribe for more IGCSE English lessons. See you in the next lesson.